More light rain was present throughout the region today, and we saw most of the showers east of Marquette, but now those are beginning to die off, and we could just see a few more areas of drizzle as we head into the overnight. But a little farther off to the west, as you go closer to Ironwood, actually seeing mostly sunny conditions at this point, and we'll continue to notice that clouds will be partly cloudy throughout the overnight before even more rain chances make their way in by sometime tomorrow. But even those chances look to be very, very slim for us. Right now we are at 45 degrees. The light rain is here in Marquette, and north winds at 9 miles per hour. And let's go ahead and take a look at temps as we are in the middle 40s for us here into Marquette. Westward, seeing more of the 50s where they are seeing more of that sun. 55 degrees in Ontonagon, 55 also in Ironwood. More of the upper 40s for us in Florence and in Menominee, 55 in Lawrence. And as we take a look off to the east, 48 in Munising, 48 in Escanaba, and 45 for us here in Ishpeming. But all of us are seeing that northerly wind, so that's going to cool things off a bit for us as we head into the overnight. At 15 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, 7 in Escanaba, and at 13 in Munising. And across the entire state, well, more of the 60s, 60 degrees in Alpena, 63 in Houghton Lake, and down in Flint, 68 degrees for them. And we could even find ourselves back in the 50s tomorrow before much cooler air is going to arrive as we get closer to the weekend, and that will be actually coupled with moisture, and that could mean for some possible frozen precipitation as we get closer to Saturday. But we'll talk about that a little bit later here in the segment. Isolated showers throughout the evening, back in the 50s for us as we make our way throughout the day on Thursday, and cooling off as we get into the weekend, and we'll be looking out for that cool air to drop us back off into the mid and lower 40s for afternoon highs. But look at the setup right now. We do have that rain beginning to push off to the east and slightly to the north, with this area of low pressure still spinning across the Great Lakes, but it's going to be moving its way northeastward throughout the day tomorrow, and a lot of the moisture will be just east of the area as you look over here into Lake Huron and southeastern portions of the lower peninsula. That's where they will see the best chances of rain. Our chances will be very small, maybe around 10 to 20%, so not high at all. Let's go ahead and take a look at our futurecast model as that area of low pressure does continue to make its way off to the northeast, but it will start to back itself up a bit, and we'll see as we head into the weekend that moisture becomes more and more prominent, and we'll see better rain chances going into Friday evening and Friday night, and then the cool air starts to mix in with this, so we'll be looking out for rain and snow heading into Friday night, and also for us as we start off the day on Saturday. For us tonight, though, we'll be at 40 degrees, mostly cloudy. Winds are expected to be on the light side. For Thursday, patchy, partly cloudy with isolated chances of drizzle. West-northwest winds between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highs rebounding back into the 50s at 54 in Lawrence, 59 in Ontonagon, and at 59 in Florence, while seeing 56 in Escanaba and at 56 also in Munising. Your bus stop forecast, slight 20% chance of a drizzle or two as we make our way throughout the morning. North winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and 4-hour 7-day forecast. Slight chances on Thursday, becoming better as we head into Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Highs still in the 50s then, but then we'll really start to drop off into the lower 40s by Saturday as rain and snow does start to work its way into the picture.